gabi or maayong hapon, and good afternoon to everyone. It was mentioned by Vice Mayor that this has been a tradition, and we are just very happy to be part of the city, and you always have our unconditional support, you know, and when traditions like this are things that we in More Power really value. The recent survey I think there was a survey done by on the problems or the problems of the LGUs. I was so delighted because brownout was no longer in the list. 5 years ago, when that was just when we were starting, brownout was actually one of the top two. I remember one of the top two complaints of residents, and well, it was a real challenge for us 5 years ago. And well, I never realized that the 5 years just came so fast. That we are actually ending our 5-year development plan. And I remember I presented that to the City Council 5 years ago, and Councilor Candice, in her being a doctor, said, you know, there are this dialysis or something that we couldn't use because the power wasn't enough, so forth and so on. So you make sure that you'll be able to do it. Well, without batting an eyelash, we had to do it, and I'm happy that power is no longer an issue, no, for the Ilonggos, and we will keep the promise. In fact, Iloilo is now the model, no, by other cities. No, they come, they try to see if well, how are we able to do the infrastructure here, no, and we're just so happy and so proud, no, to show them around and be accepted, no, as really one of the catalysts for development for Iloilo. And that commitment stays, and that commitment will continue as our commitment to the city. No? So although well, with the lighting of this Christmas tree and the Christmas songs and everything, seems that there will be a shift now, no, of our mood towards the Christmas season. And well, I hope that this symbol, this tree, would be able to well, make us already feel that it is Christmas. But let's not forget the real essence of Christmas. No, and the real essence of Christmas is really in sharing and giving, not especially to our less fortunate brothers and sisters. Well, I know, Iloilo and other cities are progressing, no, but we also know that societal problems, no, well, I don't need to name them, but there are still sectors, and big sector of our society that are really in dire need of even the basic services. So now it's Christmas, and it's really the time of forgiving and for sharing. Let's not forget that that's the real essence of Christmas. And as we enjoy the food, as was said by our MC, when it's Christmas, he's reminded of the food and eating. While we enjoy all of that, we also try to think of our brothers and sisters who have less or lesser in life than us, if we could extend whatever we can to them. So with that, thank you very much, and I would really like to extend our thanks to the city, for always being supportive of our initiatives, and rest assured, More Power will always be your partner for the long. Thank you and Merry Christmas.